Good morning, good afternoon. Today's Monday, November 19, 2018, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. The Monday before the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. All right, looking at the markets right now, you see the a general down on a Monday, where the Dow Jones is off its lows to down 384 points. All right, so let's see the headlines right now. Major headlines showing the fangs are down again. I mean, my opinion is what you expect. You've been like meteoric, in terms of going highs, without justification much. So a little bit of pullback is, I think, is pretty okay. Um, because you have like a lot of rising, um, like from what was it, from the 20s now to over $100 a share. So I mean, Goldman Sachs saying that the U.S. economy will slow. I mean, you can say general terms like that. Just like the other guy that said that the doom and gloom eventually. I mean, it's either way, either it goes up or it goes down. You can pick one and you have 50-50 chance of winning. So, and everybody knows this, the cycle is like, has to cycle eventually. You're just saying the general stuff that anybody can win. If they say the same thing. I can say that within like maybe like 30 days it's still doing well. And besides the artificial pricing of the stocks, the economy still would do well within the next 30 days. I mean, that's like saying what the Goldman Sachs is saying. It's a general thing, generally saying something that, have very little consequences. Oil online lingerie retailer under fire for deceptive the subscription model. Yes, run by teenagers, young people that doesn't really know how to, run anything. Uh, Now this is a little bit comical stuff. Um, you know, press pass being rejected again after being restored by the court. All right, Disney probably doing one of the better companies that I have featured in my videos in the past. Disney China, Disney Shanghai, Disney Hong Kong, probably doing well as well. Expanding and making, forays into many different areas in China. And you see that in the domestic market as well in the US, where they are promoting Chinese friendly shows more on the US side as well. California deadliest wildfire. Interesting. Nvidia, due to like mostly but underreported, is the Bitcoin that uses as a graphics card to do mining. A lot of them have decreased their operations in mining, so you'll see following the same thing. It's not missing guidance, and really underneath is people just not buying their cards to mine Bitcoin that as much. But like with anything, it always happened in the past that it slowly comes back, and slowly comes back, and so forth like that. Carlos Ghosn of Nissan and Renault underreporting their compensation. I mean, I have my opinion about the this person show Sandberg before, but I mean, nobody really listened to that, and I was 100% right. But you gotta let stupidity play yourself out. David's bridal over glam shops and high rents, of course, is not a good mix. Apple, one of the fangs, suspiciously, like the iPhone suppliers are not, you know, reporting decreased demand for their parts. So it shows that like a weak demand for iPhone. I mean, you see last year's iPhone and this year's iPhone is really not much difference. And the older traditional iPhones still works well, even though they programmatically like throttle the performance of the older phones. All right, let's check the data a little bit. Fix at 20, Dow Jones still dropping 380 above. All right, we're nearing the Thanksgiving, so I keep it short. And so, um, people thinking about the turkey dinner, and some people, I heard somebody have like over 100 people coming over to their place for Thanksgiving dinner. That's quite a bunch of people. All right. Asia went up 188 points. That's not bad. Oil remains around 56 and may be plunging to below 50. You know, and that's good for the economy. And if the economy needs a boost, will be lowering the energy costs, like gasoline. Gold still hang around at 1200 every handle. I mean, my opinion still reflects what I understand, and there's some response by some people starting to wear gold, but that's only like a 1 day thing in just response to my opinion, and they never wore gold again. All right, so not much movement in FX. All right, everybody. Today's keeping it short. Today's Monday, November 19th, the Monday before the Thursday Thanksgiving holiday, and it will be a shortened work week. All right, so let's get into the party spirit of Thanksgiving and the Christmas spirit, and let's have fun making happy trading. And something I also know, I do have Indian followers and Chinese business followers. India's Modi went for a big hug on Amazon after I featured Amazon in my dated video listed below. I also have Chinese business followers. They went and bought out Germany's robotics firms after I featured these robotics arms in my supercar remix video. Some of them listed below and dated. Something also note, the company called Funimation, that owns Dragon Ball, became a takeover target after I featured Dragon Ball characters Goku and Gohan in my eating videos. Some of them listed below. All right, everybody. Everybody have a nice work week, short work week, and a happy holidays. Today's Monday, November 19, 2018.